Today, we will make a special dish. Stir-fried greens with minced pork. My choice is pork collar. The pork collar has evenly distributed fat like marble. It's moist without being dry, but not too fatty. It's the best choice for making minced pork. Cut into small pieces and put it in a meat grinder. Put the minced pork aside. The green vegetables are Shanghai bok choy. The stems of Shanghai bok choy are thick and juicy and have a natural sweetness, which can effectively neutralize the greasiness of minced pork, making the whole dish fresh and not greasy. Wash them first. Cut the stems in half. Then cut them into small pieces. And set aside. Cut the leaves into shreds. And reserve on a separate plate. Cut the red chili peppers into small pieces. If you like spicy food, you can replace it with bird's eye chili. A tip for peeling garlic: just pat it. It's easy to peel. Cut into small pieces. Put it on a plate. Today's ingredients are minced pork, Shanghai bok choy leaves, Shanghai bok choy stems, garlic and red chili peppers. Turn on the stove. Heat a dry wok until smoking. Pour in cooking oil. Swirl the oil around to coat the entire surface of the wok. Add minced pork. Stir fry over high heat. Stir fry until the water is dry. Fry until oil comes out. Add a spoonful of wangdoojang and continue to stir fry evenly. Remove and set aside. Don't wash the wok. Turn on the heat again. Add cooking oil. Add garlic. Bloom the spices in hot oil. Add the Shanghai bok choy stems. Stir fry over high heat. 2 seasoned vegetable stems effectively. Add salt early to allow the flavor to penetrate. Stir fry until tender crisp. Then add the cooked minced pork. Stir fry evenly. Add the Shanghai bok choy leaves. Stir fry a few times. Pour the light soy sauce along the hot edge of the wok to quickly caramelize it and develop a deeper aroma. Stir fry evenly. Sprinkle in red chili peppers. Stir a few times. Turn off the heat and serve. This is a dish that can definitely be added to your recipe. When you don't know what to eat, it's your first choice. It's simple, quick, and delicious. It's a great rice puller. Loving what you see? Smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and save this video to your favorites. We appreciate you. A good life starts with eating well. See you next time.